Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss that lesson number 5, and that is festivals and celebrations. Okay, already we have started this lesson, and in this lesson we learned that there are two types of festivals. Okay, first one is national festivals and the second one is religious festivals. Okay, and what are the national festivals? You know that Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, so these all are the national festivals that we celebrate that we celebrate our past events in a particular day every year. Okay, now what are the religious festivals? Okay, so those are the Diwali, Dashera, okay, Guru Purab, Christmas, Eid ul Fitr. These all are the religious festivals that we celebrate to enjoy our day. Okay, and on this day what we do? We wear new clothes. Okay, we wear new clothes, and else what we do? We share the sweets. We share the sweets and gifts to each other. Okay, on Diwali what we do? On Diwali we make the rangolis. Okay, we decorate our homes with lights and lamps. Okay, so why we celebrate Dashera? Because on this day Rama killed the demon king of Ravan, so we celebrate Dashera. Okay, and why we celebrate Eid ul Fitr? So for the the whole month of fasting we celebrate as Eid ul Fitr. Okay, and on this day we go to mosque to pray. Okay, to pray. Next, on Guru Purab, it is the marks of the birthday of Sikh Gurus, and on this day we go Gurudwar to pray. Okay, next, why we celebrate Christmas? We celebrate Christmas because it is the birthday of Jesus Christ, and we celebrate this on 25th December every year. Okay, and we decorate the Christmas tree on this day. We cut the cake. Okay, so these all things we discussed in the previous classes. Today we are going to discuss fill in the blanks. Okay, so open the page number 111, page number 111, and you can see there fill in the blanks are there. How many questions are there? 4 questions are there, so you have to answer them. Okay, so what is the first one? See, dash is the festival of lights. First one, dash is the festivals of lights. Festival of lights. And the second question is, dash was killed on Dashera. Dash was killed on Dashera. On Dashera. Okay, and the third one, what is that? People go to mosque on dash. People go to mosque on dash. On dash. And the fourth and the last one is, people go to church on dash. People go to church on dash. Okay, so these are the some questions, you have to answer them. Okay, see, dash is the festival of lights. On which festival we light the lights? Okay, it is Diwali. Okay, the answer is Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. Okay, now what is the second one? Dash was killed on Dashera. Who was killed on Dashera? Ravana. Okay, so Ravana was killed on Dashera. Who killed him? Who killed Ravana? Rama killed Ravana. Okay, so the third one, people go to mosque on dash. People go to mosque on dash. On which day people go to mosque? Eid ul Fitr. That is Eid ul Fitr. Okay, on Eid ul Fitr people go to mosque. Okay, now the next one, people go to church on dash. People go to church on dash. On which day people go to church? Christmas. On Christmas. Okay. And why do people go to church? To pray. To pray. Okay. So these are the fill in the blanks with their answers. Just write down. And after this, some other celebrations are there. Some other celebrations. Okay. Other celebrations. What are the other celebrations except festivals? Okay, except festivals, still many celebrations are there that we celebrate. Okay, first one, a person's birthday. Okay, a person's birthday is a special day for him or her. Is it? Yes, on your birthday you get so excited because you are going to cut the cake, your home is going to decorate for you, and you are going to buy new clothes for you, you are going to eat cake, and you invite all your friends and relatives to celebrate your birthday. Okay, is it? And also you distribute the chocolates and sweets in your school with your friends. Okay, so totally it is a very special day for you and you get very excited. Birthday dina ನಾವು ಭಾಳ ಏನಾಗ್ತೀವಿ, excited ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? So it is your special day. Okay, so that is the other celebration also. What is that? That is birthday. That is birthday. Okay, so birthday is a very special day. Is a special day. Birthday is a special day. Okay, and we celebrate birthdays with our family. With whom we celebrate our birthday? We celebrate birthday with whom? With our family. With our family. Okay, family ಜೊತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇನ celebrate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Not only with family but friends also. With friends and family. Okay, so that is called birthday. It is our special day. Okay, and we celebrate our birthday with friends and family. Okay, so this is all about other celebrations. Okay, after this one more special day is there. What is that? That is a wedding. Wedding andre eno? Marriage, madivi. So let's see what is the wedding. Okay, so let's study about that now. What is that? Wedding. So wedding is nothing but marriage, madivi. Okay, so it is also a special day. Yes, wedding is also a special day. See, it is also a special day. It is also a special day. It is celebrated with family members and friends with whom you celebrate your wedding. ಮದುವೆಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಾ, ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರ ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್? No, we need people to celebrate this day. Yes, so we celebrate this day with friends and family. Okay, wedding is celebrate. See, it is celebrate with family and friends. Celebrated with family and friends. So wedding ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಸೆವರಲ್ ಡೇಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಸೆವರಲ್ ಡೇಸ್. ಮದುವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದೇ ದಿನೊಳಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟೈಮ್ ತೊಗೋತೈತಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಿ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ದಿನ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಮನೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮನೆ ಡೆಕೋರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? So it goes on for several days, okay? And people sing, dance and eat lots of sweets and tasty foods in weddings. ಹೌದಾ? ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿನ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಹಾಡ ಹಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಮತ್ತು ಥರದ್ದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ? ಫುಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನೂ ತಿಂತೀವಿ, ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ತಿಂತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ what people do on this day? What people do on the wedding? People sing. Sing ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಹಾಡ ಹಾಡೋದು. And what else they do? They dance ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಹೌದಾ? People sing, dance and eat lots of food and eats a lot of food, and sweets. ಪೀಪಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? ಮಂದಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ? ಹಾಡ ಹಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಸಿಂಗ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಟ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್. ಥರದ್ದು ಫುಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸನ್ನು ತಿಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜನ್ನು, ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗನ್ನು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ is about birthday, okay? So birthday is a very special day for him or for her, okay? On this day we wear new clothes, we cut the cake, we invite our friends and family to celebrate our birthday, we distribute sweets and a lot of foods, okay? So totally birthday is a very special day for us, okay? Next, the wedding. What is wedding? It is also a special day. Yes, it is also a special day for him or for her, okay? So next, it is celebrated with family and friends. Our wedding is celebrated with our family and friends, okay? Next, people, what people do on this day? People, what they do? They sing, dance, eat a lot of food, okay? So this is it for today. Tomorrow we will continue the remaining things, okay?